In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refer and earn on Surfshark. If you've been enjoying your VPN and want to share it with friends while picking up some rewards, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to expect so you can start sharing confidently. First, open the Surfshark app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account you use regularly. If you haven't opened the app in a while, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so the referral section looks and behaves as intended. The process is the same whether you're on desktop or mobile, though the layout may vary slightly. Next, head to Settings. On most screens, you'll find a gear icon on the left panel. If your sidebar is collapsed, look for a menu or hamburger icon to expand it. On some mobile layouts, settings may appear at the bottom bar or behind your profile icon. The key is to open the settings area where Surfshark keeps all your account-related options. Inside settings, look for the Refer and Earn option. This is the dedicated section for the referral program. Once you open it, you'll typically see your personal referral link and in some cases, a referral code. You may also see details about the current rewards, any region-specific terms, and simple instructions on how the program works. Rewards can vary over time, so read the description on screen to know exactly what you and your friends can receive. From here, just follow the instructions provided in the app. Usually, you can copy your referral link with one tap or click, or share it directly through your preferred apps like email, messaging, or social platforms. To make things smoother, let your friends know they should sign up using your link and that they may need to complete a qualifying action, such as starting a plan to trigger the reward. The app often shows how many referrals you've made and whether they're pending or completed, so check back to track your progress. A few quick tips before you share. Avoid spamming. Share with people who will genuinely benefit from a VPN. If there are any limits on how many times you can earn, those will be listed in the Refer and Earn section. Promotions change occasionally, so if the rewards look different from what you've seen before, trust the current details inside the app. And if something doesn't track right away, give it a little time, as rewards may take a short while to appear. That's it. Open the app, go to Settings, choose Refer and Earn, and follow the on-screen steps to start sharing and earning.